Hey guys, today's video is going to be a little different. This is something I definitely had to post. I have no credit to this video. This is all made by Wes, who filmed it, as well as Franco, who was one of the actors in the video. So this is their video. There's nothing of mine, but definitely had to share this for just the 10th Gen community and just on the channel as well, because honestly this video is gold. Enjoy.
Well done, boys. Looks like ice cold sushi for breakfast.
Hello, this is Franco from Franco Automotive. We will be installing a Ultra Racing piece of metal. The tools that you need is a daga and a 14mm socket. The first thing you have to do is remove this plastic off this Ultra Racing thingamajigger. Got it. What the fuck do I do with this thing? How does this thing work? Oh. This is more saran wrap than a Costco saran wrap. Jesus, I give up. Why would they wrap it like this? Dude, like, this is a pain in the ass. Like, who thought of this? What is it, BMW? Own fucking company that doesn't know how to make their own fucking pulleys for their cars. Plastic pulleys. Who uses plastic pulleys? Jesus Christ. God, what is this thing, dude? I don't get it. What is this, fucking North Korea protecting the fucking... Jesus Christ, man. I think I might have got it. But no, they have like 3 saran wraps on top of saran wraps. Now you have to remove the sticker.
Yeah, this is fun.
With this Ultra Racing bar thing, piece of metal. That looks terrible. Wow, what kind of phone is this?
iPhone 8.
Huh, nice camera.
So we're cleaning the sticker residue off the strut bar.
Hello everyone, it's Franco from Franco Automotives. We have completed the metal thingamabobber from Ultra Racing, and these call for 40 pounds, 32 to 40 pounds. I did 42 just in case because it is aftermarket. So I don't know what it does. It does something, but I don't think it does anything.